What up, what up, what up? Good morning. We on here a little bit early, but you know that's okay. Let me get everything set up. PPI data today gonna be super important. Oil selling off, that's good. Down $30 a barrel, I think in like the last week, 2 weeks. But yeah, should be a fun day. We got the futures pushing. PPI comes out at 8:30. And then I believe we have Fed on Thursday, right? Let's see. Economic calendar. Good morning, Larry. Channel member. Go. I appreciate you. No, FOMC is on Wednesday. Cool. Good morning. Yeah, today we get PPI at 8:30 and Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30. Nobody cares about that. Everybody cares about PPI. So, yes, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. I don't see anything about the Fed meeting starting today. I may be wrong. I don't see none. Anyways, I already know I want to watch Zim today. ZIM. I think it once more. We shall see. Or bounce off of 81.97. Would not be too pressed about that. But let's see. 2-year finally pulling back. 10-year went right up to that price target. Missed it by, what is that? Let's see. 3 takes it. Oh my god, I'm terrible at math. 4. 0.014. It missed the price target by. Anyways. Let's see, let me pull up the list and we will get started. Good morning, fam. I see. Gotcha. Yeah, it's pretty set in stone that they're going to be upping the rates by 25 to 50 basis points. We're just going to, I guess, wait and see what they do. That's weird. I don't see anything on the economic calendar about it. Let's see. Tomorrow. Good morning. Anyways, let's find some setups. They will either invalidate or validate when the FOMC news comes out. Other than that, make sure you guys have clicked that like button. It would be greatly appreciated as always. I think I might play some GameStop earnings. Buy the $10 puts for 10 bucks. Short it to the ground, baby. Yeah, let's do this. Let's see, personal. Flip through the priority week first. Let's see that AEM pulling back, don't care. This is I believe it's an oil, or not an oil, a gold miner. Let's see, if PPI is super bad, I like AMD below 100. So AMD. Good morning. Yeah, tomorrow's Team Bull Super Bowl. If you guys are not in Team Bull and you don't know what Team Bull Super Bowl is, I'm sorry. I feel bad for you. Ideally with Boeing, I still like the downside. However, I wouldn't be interested unless it broke below 172.57. So again, if PPI is bad, maybe I'll look for some puts, get that squeeze the fire down. Yes, they do. I need to get Sue back on the channel. Coin finally broke below that support yesterday at 155.92, dropped all the way down to that 150 level. Pretty sure that was a person's pivot. If they continue to drill Bitcoin, might be able to look for a bounce off of 150. We'll see. Put coin on the list for now, though. Let's see. We got 14 minutes. until PPI. Still waiting on Costco. I want to see if this squeeze ever ends up firing. I want to try to get a swing on it, but it looks like it's losing some momentum. Facebook, nice 1 hour squeeze. Depends on PPI. I have no idea what MULN is. No idea. Good morning. Hertz, I still want to look for my swing over there. That LYB from the watch list pushed really early. Probably not something anyone caught, but give a nice little push before it pulled back. MPC clobbered. Nvidia right down into that price target. Now if it breaks below it, that's no bueno. We do have AMD on the list though, so watch AMD over at Nvidia. Target faked a lot of people out yesterday and dropped below that 206.61 and dropped all the way down to 204.95. So almost a $2 move. I know people that profited off of it, but unfortunately that gap did not fill, being very, very stubborn. But I won't be interested until it comes back down to that level. Let's see, Tesla. We'll be interested in Tesla below 755. How was everybody's trading week? Not trading week, trading day. How was everybody's trading day yesterday? Jesus, what happened to the VIX overnight? I didn't do this. It's weird. Looking for swings on the VIX. We'll see if we can get them today, and then our baby ZIM. Break above 83.88. Can probably take it to 85 today. Day trade stocks. Get a good trading day. Good. I took unfortunately I came out green on AMD yesterday. I only made like 13 bucks on it. And then I took a QQQ trade later in the day. That was all from me. That's good. Hey, you're green. Apple cracked below that 150 level, 148.93. Bad PPI, I'd be interested in that. We looked at AMD, we looked at Boeing, Baba. Still getting clapped. That 4 hour squeeze fired down that we talked about last week. If you guys want, you can watch Baba below 72.2. Question is, are there liquidity in the options? Yeah, the 71s and the 70s aren't bad on Baba. I just personally think it's a little overextended, but there's also news. You have AM or Neo on your list? What is this? This Chevron has a long way to go. Maybe watch some Chevron puts. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. As always, I do not drop the watch list until we hit 150 likes. We have 115 people in here and only 56 likes, meaning more than half of you have not clicked that like button. But yeah, make sure you guys are running it up. Let's see, Moderna might be a good one for Just like news, because again, we're seeing rising cases of COVID in China. So Moderna above 158 could get going. We'll see. mRNA. Like it above 158.03. Microsoft, not interested. Would be interested in the puts, if anything. Why'd you buy calls on... Why would you buy calls on Chevron? Oil is way too overextended. And plus crude oil is dropping. We'll watch PayPal. See what that squeeze does. Come PPI. Let's see, Roku. Would have to go with the 100 puts, or maybe even the 95s. Yeah, the 95s have liquidity. Depends if it breaks below 99.24. Been a while since I traded Roku. Boom. And then, let's see, did we look at SQ yet? Nope. Be interested in SQ puts. Alrighty. We got 8 minutes. It's exactly why I don't read news. Look at the chart, not the news. It's just like they were saying oil was going to go to $500 a barrel. Technicals are not telling us that oil is going to $500 a barrel. Anyways. We got 6 minutes. Let's see if there's any news popping up. Roblox report their earnings? Or they just randomly came out with news? Yeah, click that like button. Welcome to the Discord. I'm not interested in banks at all. Not right now. Let's see what crude's doing. Dang. Huh. I like it. Crude went up. Missed the price target from last week by 28 cents. Now it's all the way down here. Nice. BAC. My TA. Came right back to the monthly 21 EMA. Other than that, daily and weekly look like crap. I would not be interested. Let's see. I mean, if you're trying, it depends how far out you're going. If you're going like a year out, then try to get it off 38.78. And then just use a proper risk to reward. But yeah, I don't like this. Not a fan. Let's see how VIX is looking. Because I'm trying to get a swing on it. We got 3 minutes till this PPI drops, so. It really depends what they're gonna do with on tomorrow. But from a technical standpoint, I like it. We're squeezing. What I would ideally like to see is the squeeze turn into light blue and kind of just hug this middle line right here, or even this this -1, this bottom purple line right here. Snag some entries, maybe do some credit spreads, and then ultimately aim for 44.4. So I was looking at a couple of spreads. I don't believe you need to have margin for the VIX. I don't think I've ever traded just the VIX. It's always been the VXX. But I was looking at some spreads, maybe like a calendar spread, or even a debit spread. We could buy the 40 call and sell the 45 call, or buy the we could buy the 40 and sell the 50 and get filled for $110, or like 110, 120. Max reward is going to be 1,000 minus what we paid. So I think the risk reward is really good. I don't want to do it with the Fed tomorrow. Now when the Fed comes out, probably at the end of the day I'll have a swing on the VIX. As of now, I just think a little too risky. But I'm looking at the May 18th expiration, going to give us 63 days until expiration. We shall see. No, Jimmy. We've had this conversation. No. Anyways, see what the futures are going to do. We get PPI in 20 seconds. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Running up to 150 likes. You guys want the watch list. Let's do this, baby. Let me get the news up. All right, 8:30. What we gonna do? PPI 0.8% month over month, expectation 0.9%, PPI 10% year over year, expectation 10%. Boom. Good stuff. Let me let everybody know that in the server. Are you done for because you're in weekly calls for crypto stocks? I don't know. You made the decision, my man. Whatever the decision was based on, you gotta weigh the risk to reward. Let's see. I do think we're gonna watch ZIM again, though. I really like this stock. ZIM. Boom. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, pivot low. Pivot high, pivot low. Missing any? We got one back here. We is good. Take it up to 85. 86.08. Cool. Of course, Robert, that's why I do what I do. Love helping you guys, love teaching you guys. Let's see, ZIM. On watch again for a break over 83.88. PT equal 85.07. 86.09. .09, 87.18, then 88.28. Yeah, the PPI came in as expected. The month over month was 0.1% below. So, market likes it. Yes, Fibonacci in your person's pivots. So now, I knew that this was going to ruin some of our setups. We gotta see. Are they gonna sell it off? They gotta sell the pump? Or are we gonna keep pumping today? Let's see. Somebody let me know if the futures start dumping. They typically go one way or the other and then reverse off of news like this, so we'll see. AMD. See, I'm not really interested in AMD unless it were to the downside. I'm really only interested below 100. They can pump it all they want, but I'm not gonna trade it. Boeing could be a possibility. We'll see there. Coin. I still like coin below 150.42. Possible bounce off 150. Keep that there. Facebook. Squeezing super hard. I still prefer Facebook down too. Not really liking anything to the upside. Like everything down. Of course, Chevron wanted to break. Take Chevron off. Moderna. Nice little COVID name. Saw a nice pump yesterday. Good liquidity in the 160 and the 165 calls. I like it over 158.03. Yesterday's high, 165. Been a really long time since we traded Moderna. Let's see, 50 SMA, 168.8. Really don't see much that would be blocking it. What's crazy is Moderna came straight down to a T to that monthly 55 EMA before it bounced. You know how we love the 55 EMA up in here. Let's see, Moderna. COVID news coming out of China. Looking for a break above 158.10 for a push to 166.75 and 168.8. I do not see any other resistance, so trade levels accordingly. Boom. Yeah, again with the liquidities, you just look at the volume and open interest. No volume, no open interest, no liquidity. Keep Moderna on the list. Let's see, PayPal. We're almost at the 150 light goal. Still only like PayPal for puts. Roku, I'll set an alert if it comes back down. SQ. True, we didn't even look at PFE. Let's see, SQ, I'm interested below 92.72. Yeah, you got a little flag there on PFE. Contracts are just too cheap. I'd have to buy like a massive size. And I'm really not trying to do that. You can watch PFE though, if you're a small account. Watch it for the break of the bull flag plus the break above whatever pre-market high is. Take it to yesterday's high. Give you a nice 40-cent scalp, and then over that use person's pivots. Let's see. Alright, started from the top. I need my G Fuel this morning. Boeing, not interested. Take it off. Coin. Future's still pumping. Unfortunately, if I knew the answer, if Apple would orb, well, fortunately, if I did know Apple was going to orb, I'd be making $1 million today. Yeah, it looks like a lot of things are flagging right now. But honestly, with a lot of stuff, I like the downside more than I like the upside. But with Facebook, I mean, we're talking a $4 move down. Take Tesla off. Process of elimination is how we do it up in here. Alright, so with Facebook, I could be completely wrong. Personally, like I said, I would like to see this come down and break below 184. What is that? 184.89? Take it down to 182.35. I don't like the upside. Maybe there will be like a chance intraday. But yeah, as of now, I prefer downside. Facebook, prefer downside. Can find intraday scalps to the upside. I like this below 184.89 for puts. Price target equal 181.78. Spelled puts wrong. Boom, there's Facebook. Again, could be absolutely wrong. We'll see. And then, obviously, we're gonna watch SPY and QQQ. $84.93. See, me and Apple, we got some history together. I don't like Apple, and I genuinely think that Apple doesn't like me. But we are going to put our differences aside today and look to short it. Let's flip through the list more time. PayPal. Actually really interested if PayPal does break below 96. You can keep this on your radar. PayPal below 96, down to 94.63. Roblox is not on the list, and Roblox will never, ever, ever be on the list. Just so we're clear. But yeah, I like this below 96, 94.63 could be nice. It really depends what the market does. Does it like PPI? Does it not like PPI? Or does it bull flag and rip even more? The world may never know. Right now it's in between PayPal and Apple. I like them both. I just think Apple looks a little weaker. No, I trade SPY. Only issue is Apple's really overextended from that daily 5. We'll see. I'll figure out which one I'm going to watch a little closer to market open. As of now, ZIM, Moderna, Facebook. Now, as far as the strike prices, for ZIM, we're going to go with the 85 calls. They have the most liquidity. As far as, let's see, Moderna. Watch the 160 calls or even the 165 calls, your pick. And then Facebook. I'm gonna look for a break below 184.49. Watch the 180 puts. Boom. Keep the VIX on watch for our swing. Watch SPY and QQQ. I think that bull flag's gonna rip. We'll see. Anyways, before I hop off for the day, anybody got questions for me? I need to go get some G Fuel before I fall asleep. Yeah, the 10-year, I think, well, looking at the 10-year, I hit my price target. It fell slightly short. My price target was 2.19, hit 2.176. We'll see. I used to use my phone to trade, but now I use my Stream Deck. Stream Deck is clutch. Darno. Airbnb, not on the list. Remember, if it's not on the list already, I will not be looking at it. It's how we do it in the morning. Other than that, let's make some money today. Let's run it up. If you guys make money off the watch list, feel free to take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram. If you guys did not, make sure to go on over to my YouTube channel and watch the newest video. Make sure to click that like button, because if this video hits 1,000 likes, I will be giving you guys that ginormous watch list that I flip through every single weekend. I've had tons of people DM me asking for it. And then Dansta, I don't know. We'll find out. No, the price of the contract is just, it's too cheap. I would have to buy too many contracts to actually try to make money, and it doesn't move that much. But yeah, make sure you guys watch that video, because I will give the watch list at 1,000 likes. And yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. Other than that, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. We didn't get any new subscribers today, so no bing bong. Unless you guys want to click the subscribe button in the next 2 minutes and get your bing bong for the day. Set up an active trader. Big buy the ass, sell the bid, buy the market, sell the market. It's the easiest way to get filled, both ways. But yeah, let's see if we get any new subs. Hold on. as always. Every morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time, baby. Always. All right. No new subscribers. Everybody take it easy. I'll talk to everybody